Hi everyone, Brandt here. A lot of people tell me they have troubles wrapping a baby. When you first start a newborn session, what you should do is swaddle with the arms down to the side. If you do that, baby will usually stay nice and calm. And even if they're awake, they can't move their arms. When you swaddle with the hands here and the baby's awake, they'll usually bust through and then they'll move all over the place. So when you're trying to get the baby calm, wrap with the arms down to the side first. I also double wrap most of the time, and I wrap over an outfit. You want least disruption to the baby. So if you put an outfit on the baby first, then do a nice tight swaddle and then a wrap over it. When baby settles and is nice and calm and falls asleep, you can take off the outer wraps and you reveal the outfit and you don't disrupt them as much. But if the baby is awake, if they're fussy, or if they're unsettled, don't wrap with the hands to the chest because they're going to do this. Wrap with the arms down to the side. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, baby is 13 days, baby Derek. He has an outfit on because it's a sheer outfit. He's wearing a diaper and a diaper cover. We're going to swaddle with the arms to the side. So one arm goes to the side. We're going to go across the chest. You never want to go up to the neck. You want to keep those airways nice and clear. Excuse you, Derek. We're going across the chest. You can pull it up. Just when you wrap, don't go across the neck, go across the chest. His tummy's nice and soft. We're going to lift up the legs and bring the wrap underneath. Now, he's only 13 days, so he's under 2 weeks, and usually when they're 2 weeks, they still like to curl up like a little ball because they love that womb feeling. So you never want to force or put any pressure on the legs. If the legs are very stiff, you can do a little bicycle motion and you just roll it up here. You would put the feet to the chest line. Usually that's how you get a nice round wrap. And you can see that I'm not putting any pressure on him and he's very comfortable in this position. And so I'm just going to hold the feet down and I'm going to wrap around. Now I am going to double wrap because quite often they'll bust through the first wrap. This wrap is called the Rapida, and it's in my store. And we're just going to wrap across. You just want a nice, firm wrap. You can see that it's not causing any harm or discomfort to him. He's nice and comfortable. And so this is the first wrap. He's like smiling. All right, so the second wrap, you can really do whatever you want because he's smiling up a storm. Dude, are you having a good time? So with the second wrap, you can just be a little more creative. Underneath. And this is a nice wide wrap. So I'm going to just hold it up here and I'm just going to cross around. Cross this down here. And I'm holding this piece out for a moment. How you do the outer wrap is really up to you. I'll just tuck this piece down here. I can either leave that piece out or just tuck it around. And here's the final result. You gonna smile and show everyone how cute you are? That's it. Okay, got it?